So what is up guys, it's Technology Hell back here. Welcome back to another video, and finally we are back with an unboxing on our channel, and this time we are gonna unbox the Cosmo 7.1 virtual surround gaming headphones from RedGear. I recently contacted RedGear and asked for this product as a review unit, and truly speaking I liked it so much that I decided to buy it off one for myself. So today we are gonna unbox it, have a short review, and at last conclude whether you should go and buy this headphone, as it is one of the best budget gaming headphone in 1500 to 2500 range, and what are the pros and cons which you will face if you buy it. So without wasting much time, let's begin straight with the video. So here we have our package of the RedGear Cosmo 7.1. On the front side it has the diagrams of the desired headphone, and with the brandings on all the sides, the box packaging looks quite slim and straightforward. On the rear side you can see that it has so many color variations, which means that yes, it does have breathing light effects. Some of the highlights include the 7.1 virtual surround sound, over-the-ear cups design, and the noise cancellation microphone, and some others such as the adjustable headband and the gold-plated USB interface. So let's quickly pop this box open and see what we have got inside it. And there we have got our product wrapped securely in this foam package so that it is not damaged or gets any sort of scratches while it is being shipped to the user. Inside the package you just get your foam packed headphone and nothing else. As I expected, a driver CD would be there, but it's fine because we are gonna download the drivers online for this product. And inside the package we have got a headphone, the big bulky Cosmo 7.1, with a small quick startup guide. So there we are with the headphone. The wire looks extremely long as it's a 2.2 meter thick and secure cable, and the headphone looks seriously big and bulky and is a little bit heavier as compared to other headphones which I have used till now. So this is what the overall product looks like, the big bulky headphones with a 2.2 meter long cable and a USB interface. Yes, it's a gold plated USB, so for connecting it to mobile devices you definitely need a converter. And it comes with an in-wire line controller which allows you several functions like volume and other options which we'll come to later. The headphone is quite stretchable with a metal top and a stretchable rubber band so that it fits almost all head sizes. And this extendable mic not only gives it a good look but also a good sound quality with the active noise cancellation feature. The comfort of the user has been kept as an important point in this headphone. As you can see, there are big bulky ear cups which make it comfortable for almost everyone and makes it good for long hours of usage. As compared with my previous headphone, the RedGear Manta 4.1, you can see how big the ear cups are. And as you can see, the microphone was a small one right next to the earpiece, which is absolutely changed in this headphone, which makes the sound quality even better, and the build quality is actually good and is durable for long usage of time. The top of the frame is made up of strong metal while the sides are built up of plastic and have RGB illuminated in them. Let me just quickly plug in the USB and show how this RGB looks like. So there you can see the LED illumination on the microphone has turned on a blue colored light, and on the sides you can see that the breathing RGB effect has turned active. That's all about the lighting. You don't have any software based control on this lighting mechanism, as well as the small inline controller. It lights up with the power plugged in. If you turn off your microphone, then the lights for the mic would turn off, and you have got a fourth button which is used for turning the entire headphone's RGB either on or off. Moving over to setting up this device with the system hardware, with the drivers for this. Of course, I did not get a disc with it, so I'll have to download the drivers from the Redwood Interactive website, and once downloaded, I can just install it just like any other application. And after the installation, the driver interface looks somewhat like this. You can adjust the location of each individual speaker for the 7.1 virtual surround. You can toggle the 7.1 surround 3D sound either on or off. You can have custom equalizer with custom audio bandwidth levels. You have your gain control for your microphone, and you also have some predefined equalizers which you can of course use for your headphones. Instead of using the standard RedGear drivers provided with this, I prefer using my custom one, which is Boom 3D. It gives you a true 7.1 surround immersive sound experience with better controls and much more features and abilities as compared to the standard RedGear's driver. So that's all about the specification and the driver software controls for this Cosmo 7.1. Moving on to my personal experience, I can recommend that yes, this is actually a good headphone. In spite of being so big and bulky, it is actually comfortable, but in my case I have been using loose headphones since all these years. Therefore, it is a bit too congested to my ears as I don't have habit of using such big ear cups. But that's not an issue. After short usage of time, it became comfortable and now I'm totally fine with this headphone. Moving over to the pros and cons, the pros include the immersive sound quality, the virtual 7.1 surround and this active noise cancellation microphone with this awesome build quality combined with a good looks from the RGB side. Moving over to the cons, the only two cons which I could spot out is that they could have provided with a braided USB cable, as this cable is quite strong and durable, but a braided one would be even better. And the second con includes the driver for this headphone, as without the RedGear driver this headphone is of no use because it will be running on standard stereo sound, but the RedGear's driver do not have so many features. I rather recommend you, if you are going to use this, go with Boom 3D as it truly changes your sound experience with it. So that's all I could explain regarding this headphone. Hope you found this video interesting. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are thinking to buy this headphone, make sure to check out the first link in the video description. And if you are interested in such stuff, don't forget to subscribe as we keep coming up with such videos every week. Thanks for watching.